Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study Pharm.D first year. Start by mapping your semester into weekly blocks and assign subjects to consistent time slots. Build routines around lectures and lab days, then reserve focused solo study slots. Use short, timed sessions with active recall prompts and quick reviews before sleep. Track progress and adjust time per topic to match difficulty and upcoming exams, keeping flexibility for unexpected tasks. Start each study day with a quick review of yesterday's notes to prime recall and reduce relearning time. Break work into 25 to 50-minute focused blocks with short breaks to maintain energy and focus. Alternate subjects to avoid monotony and use question banks every week to apply knowledge and reveal weak spots. End daily sessions by summarizing key points aloud and scheduling targeted follow-ups for the next study block. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, try Darn Tough Socks for comfortable study marathons and a lifetime warranty that beats cheap replacements. They keep you comfy during long library sessions and save money over time, making them a silly but practical exam season pick. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Gather concise resources like summarized notes, annotated slides, and high-yield charts to streamline review and save time. Convert complex pharmacology pathways into mnemonic devices and labeled diagrams to aid recall and reduce confusion. Teach peers in small groups to test understanding and reinforce memory through explanation. Combine active recall with spaced repetition tools and flashcards to convert short-term learning into durable knowledge for exams and clinical work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.